As we had expected, gold and silver both had seen a good drop. As I told you that below 1851 can remain short on gold, and for silver below 2190 definitely one can expect a good drop. And precisely both has seen a good drop. Now what is going to happen today? Which position we should take, where to enter, where to exit, and what could be our trading strategy, we will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to watch till the end. Do not forget to listen to it carefully. First we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Let's start the day. And yes friends, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. And let's begin with the hourly charts first. On the hourly charts, you can see gold has seen a good drop here. It has formed a reversal indication here at the end of this channel. It is trying to reverse, and possibly now till the time it trades above the zone at 1820 and 1818 I will recommend. Below 1818 only I will recommend to short. Till the time it is above 1818 I will be expecting it to form this, that is at around 1830 it may try to achieve, and then in fact it can try to go back till towards 1840 levels. So be watchful of this, as right now still very much it is in this channel. And if you look at this, see the highs of this channel are at around 1840 levels, and we should be watchful of it. It can try to reverse a bit and probably may try to go back till towards 1836 1840 zone before it looks forward to any further reversal. So till the time it trades above 1818 I'll expect that probably we may see a rise. This is just on the hourly charts. Let's have a look into the indicators on the hourly charts. See, it is bearish here on the awesome oscillator, and directional movement is also bearish, but it is trying to converge. We have seen couple of green candles with minor movements there. Look at the MACD also, it is trying to converge from here and cross over for a bullish move. RSI was oversold, now coming back to the normal levels, and stochastic entering into overbought levels. Till now it was comfortable and was oversold. Now look at the 2-hour chart. Similarly on the 2-hour chart it is forming a reversal here, and with this as reversal it is trying to rise. First resistance at around 1826 levels, 1828 levels will come. So I will be watchful of this 1828 levels, and beyond that yes you can expect it to rise till towards 1836 1840 levels, and if it continues to rise 1850 is going to be the next resistance zone. Be watchful of this. Till 1818 I will not recommend you to go short today. The awesome oscillator is still in bearish mode. Directional movement is still bearish, it is white divergent, and if you look at the MACD also is white divergent bearish, but trying to converge, indicating that possibly we may see or we may expect a little reversal. The RSI is near to bottom there. The stochastic is looking upwards. See, such candles at the end of a bearish move or any trend indicates that possibly we may see a little reversal there. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, similarly on the 3-hour charts we have seen this candle here appearing, and now it is trying to reverse. How high it can go, I'll be watchful of 1828-30 zone. Once it breaks past 1828-30 we can expect a rise till towards 1836 levels possibly, and in fact it can continue to rise from there. There is a possibility exists that it can come back to 1850 levels also, which is the equilibrium there. If you look at the awesome oscillator, it is extremely bearish. The peak is done, and possibly from here it may try to converge a bit. Look at the directional movement is bearish here. And if you look at the MACD, it has achieved the peak, trying to converge from here. So be watchful of this. And RSI near to bottom, stochastic RSI looking upwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts on gold, similarly on the 4-hour charts trying to reverse a bit. However, it is still trading in this zone, it's still trading in this channel. Yes, below 1818 one can go short and one can remain short below 1818 for a good target of at around 1800 levels. It may give you similar type of candle. Whenever it breaks past 1818 one can look forward to 1800 levels. The directional awesome oscillator is still bearish. The directional movement is bearish. The MACD is trying to converge, but it is still divergent. And if you look at the RSI is near to bottom. The stochastic is trying to reverse here. It is crossed over. It is trying for a bullish reversal. Similarly, now let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily candle, see, it is formed a little tail out there, and now trying to reverse back a bit. How high it can go? It can achieve first 1828-30 zone, which may provide a little resistance, then 1836. the next pivot, and then 1840. This is going to be a very strong resistance zone, and after that 1850 will come into picture. Yes, it may come back to this equilibrium before it looks forward to any further drop. Also look at this, it is trading outside the Bollinger Bands on the daily charts. So my expectation is again it may try to reverse or retrace back a bit before it looks forward to any further drop. The Oscillum oscillator is still in positive territory. It was trading bearish till now. It was coming back to the positive territory. That is a good sign, but the red candle is what I am looking forward to. If you look at the directional movement is bearish, it is running parallel as of now. The MACD has just crossed over, and this is just the first red candle. So be cautious. If it continues to trade in red, we may see more divergence and an extreme fall can be expected. RSI trading flat and stochastic looking vertically down there. Considering this, I'll recommend you to go short on gold only if you see it trading below 1818. Till the time it is above 1818, my target is 1830, 1836. In fact, it can try to hit 1840 and 1850 zone also. So with the stop loss at 1818, one can remain long, but yes, one has to go short once it drops below 1818. Do not remain long. That is very clear. Below 1818 we have to go short. We have to, the first target is 1812, 1808 and 1800. This time it may touch 1800 levels and below also. So do not remain long once it is below 1818 levels. Below 1818 one has to go short. The stop loss on the upper side should be kept at around 1824 levels. So take your trades accordingly, and till the time it is above 1818, I'll recommend you to remain long for a target of 1828, 1830 first target, and then it will hit 1836 and 1840 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Silver on the hourly charts is trying to create a lower peak out there beyond 2120. Yes, you can go long for 2130 and 2140 levels. Remember, 2140 is going to be a very strong resistance. Beyond that, we may see it hitting 2140, 50, 2160 zone. So till the time, also look at this. It is getting the support here at around 2105, 2110 levels. So be watchful of this. Once it breaks below 2105, you can go short again. One can expect it to drop below 2100, and then the target is going to be 2080 levels. So till the time it trades about 2105, we can still expect, but the long entry is only about 2120 levels. Once you see it about 2120, one can go long there. If you look at the awesome oscillator, is bearish, and if you look at the directional movement, it is trying to converge. It is still bearish. A crossover on the hourly chart on MACD will bring it into bullish zone. The RSI is trading near to bottom, and the stochastic is looking upwards here. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, consistently lower highs, consistently higher lows. Only short entry I recommend is below 2105. Once it is below 2105, go short for 2100, and then below that we can expect a sharper drop till towards 2080 levels. On the upside, I will expect it to, once it breaks past 2120 levels, one can expect that it may try to rise. How far this can go? 2130, 2140 and 2150 levels should provide. In fact, 2160 levels should provide a very strong resistance on the upside. Awesome oscillator is bearish. Directional movement is bearish. MACD is trying to converge, and RSI near to bottom. Stochastic is also looking upwards, giving some bullish indications here. If you look at the 3-hour chart, similarly on the 3-hour chart, we can find that it is giving lower highs, higher lows, support here at 2110, and yes, with that support it is possibly trying to rise. Once it breaks past 2120, one can definitely remain long for 2130, 2140, and in fact 2150 to 60 levels can be achieved before it looks forward to any further drop. Awesome oscillator bearish, directional movement bearish, MACD trying to converge. That is a good sign that it may try to reverse a bit. RSI near to bottom, and stochastic is also looking upwards. Similarly, if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts too, similar is the observation. It is trying to consolidate before it looks over to any further break, and any good long entry is above 2120 levels. Beyond that, yes, you can remain long for a little reversal on the upside. It can try to come back till towards 2140, 2150 levels possibly, but only short entry is below 2105. Once it draws below 2105, yes, you can go short, but there is a support at 2100 and 2090 levels. Awesome oscillator is still bearish. MACD is white divergent bearish and trying to converge. RSI is near to bottom and stochastic is looking upwards. So possibly a little reversal, greener candles on the 4-hour charts can be expected. Now look at the daily candles here. See, on the daily candle it has seen a minor retracement, and now it is trying to give you a vertical fall, and how low it can go. See, on the downside, the support there at around 2060 zone is going to be important, and then 2050 levels, I'll be watchful of that. On the upside, there is a resistance, clear resistance now at 2160 levels, so I'll be watchful of that too. Yes, you can remain short below 2105, and then one can expect 2100 still to provide a support. Below that, I'll be looking forward to 2080, 2060 zone, and yes, below that it can fall more. On the upside, there is a possibility that it can reverse. Once it is about trading about 2120, we can expect it to hit 2130, 2140, 2150 levels. It can try to in fact hit 2160 levels before it looks forward to any further reversal. Anyways, the resistance there at 2190 is going to be important, very strong resistance. One must observe that it is trading outside the Bollinger Bands and the channels, and hence there is a pullback on the upside can be expected. Oscillator slipping into red zone again. Directional movement is bearish. MACD has just crossed over on the daily charts. It is divergent and it is still bearish, so be cautious. Yes, it can achieve a high and reverse from there. There is a possibility because still on the MACD it is just crossed over and trading with a divergence. RSI near to bottom and stochastic is still looking downward. So yes, till the time it trades about 2105 today, we can remain long for 2130, 2140, 2150 levels. And yes, 2120 is going to provide a little resistance. On the upside, first target is that, and after that we can get 2130, 2140 and 2150. In fact, 2160 can be achieved. On the downside, below 2105, one can go short for 2100, 2080, 2060 levels. Below that, we may see a good fall till towards 2040 and 2000 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Join my Telegram channel. Join my mentorship batch. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.